In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do basic bookkeeping with QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll understand the core steps you need to keep your business finances organized and up to date. Let's start with getting your QuickBooks Online account set up properly. After you sign up, you'll be prompted to enter your company details, like your business name, address, and the industry you're in. Take a moment to fill this out accurately. QuickBooks uses this information to format your invoices, suggest accounts, and tailor some of the default settings, so it really does matter. Next, you'll set up your chart of accounts, which is the backbone of your bookkeeping. Think of it as a list of all the buckets where your money can come from or go to: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Instead of using vague categories like miscellaneous, create specific accounts that reflect your real activities, such as office supplies, software subscriptions, or consulting income. Also, add accounts for transactions you know you'll have in the future, so you're ready when they show up. Once your chart of accounts looks good, connect your bank and credit card accounts. Head to the banking area in QuickBooks and choose your financial institution from the list. You'll log in through a secure connection, and QuickBooks will have read-only access, so it can download your transaction history safely. Choose a starting date that makes sense for your bookkeeping, such as the beginning of the month or year you want to track. After your transactions import, go to the bank feed to review them. This is where you'll categorize each one. For every transaction, choose the right vendor or customer if applicable, and assign it to the correct account from your chart of accounts, like utilities, rent, or sales. For bills that happen over and over, such as your internet or software tools, create rules so QuickBooks automatically categorizes them for you next time. If something is missing from the bank feed, use the new option to enter that transaction manually. At least once a month, reconcile your bank accounts. Compare the balance and individual transactions in QuickBooks to your actual bank statement. This helps you catch any discrepancies, like duplicates or missing entries, and ensures your records are complete and accurate. Finally, go to the report section and run key financial reports, such as your income statement and balance sheet. Review these regularly to see how much you're earning, where you're spending, and how healthy your business finances really are.